Good afternoon, grade sixes. It has come to our attention that students have been engaging in behavior that is inappropriate. They've been using social media as a platform to bully other students, and it's not okay. This has caused many problems both in the yard and inside the classroom, and it has to stop. As your teachers, we feel that we need to put some things into perspective, considering that you're going to be going to high school next year and that this type of behavior won't be tolerated there. Over the course of the next few weeks, our wellbeing lessons will be focused on health and what it means to be healthy, and how our actions and use of social media will impact on our peers. This will be investigated through the following areas: physical health, environmental health, mental health, social health, and the use of social media, which we will be sending pamphlets home to your parents so that they are made aware of what situation has been going on and how this behavior has to stop and how it can be managed at home to prevent this from happening in the future. It is important for everyone in grade 6 to understand that our actions not only affect each other and other people, but also how other people perceive us and how they see us. Do we want to be seen as the bully? Do we want to be seen as the joker in the classroom? Do we want to be seen as the really good friend? Do we want to be seen as the person who always does the wrong thing? Our actions now shape who we are in the future. And it is important for the grade 6s to understand right now that we cannot influence how other people around us act. More importantly, we have to understand that it is our choices and how we react to each situation that will impact on our relationships with our friends and how we move forward in the future. In today's lesson, we will be investigating what it means to be healthy and the types of health that there are present in our environment, okay? And everywhere today. These are broken down into 4 main categories: physical healthiness, environmental healthiness, mental healthiness, and social healthiness. Physical is how we physically look, how we physically appear to other people. Do we look energetic, or are we healthy? Are we skinny? Are we large? Different aspects like that. Environmental health is, are we in a safe environment? What makes a safe environment? And different things like that. Mental health is how we feel inside, how other people's actions make us feel. When somebody bullies us, how does that make you feel? Does it make you anxious? Does it make you scared because you're going to be hurt? Then we look into social health, which is the main issue currently happening within the grade 6s right now. Are people bullying each other? Are our actions on social media impacting on our friendships? Is our physical healthiness, or how we physically see other people, are we making fun of that and then jumping on top and making people feel inappropriate? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to break up into groups of 3 or 4, and each group is going to get a piece of butcher's paper and some texters. And then what I would like for each group to do is to write down health in the center, and then around health, we're going to write mental, physical, environmental, and social. And we're going to write down some words associated with each types of health. We are then going to, at the end of the lesson, once everybody has discussed and found some words that they believe make us physically, mentally, socially, and environmentally healthy, and you're going to do a oral presentation which describes some of the things that we have found today. Okay? I would like to start by handing these out, and then we'll go from there. Thanks, everyone.